Hi fans of high quality entertainment, I'm just doing my thumbnail. Someday I'll do a normal thumbnail. So I'm still waiting. It is 12:30 p.m. Friday, September 27th. I am still waiting for my Abbey Road Deluxe box set. But I will be uploading that video before this one. So at the end of this video, if you haven't seen it, it should be at the end of this video unless I forget. So, it's been a while since I bought some stuff. And so what I did was I bought the latest issue, special issue of Mojo magazine, The Beatles Return to Abbey Road. And for my ASMR fans, and Led Zeppelin, the Collector's Series, Early Days. I guess this is going to be in two parts. Early Days, 1968, 1973. I bought a t-shirt. I'll take this off. I'm just joking. I've never had a t-shirt by this artist until today. It's not my favorite. I've seen other t-shirts which are cooler, but this is pretty good still. I think they do overdo it with David Bowie, with, what was this for pinups? This was the pinups cover, and so you see that all the time. And I mean, he had so many different looks and characters, and they overuse that one, I feel, a little bit. Now, I also bought 2 CDs, so I'll show you these 2 magazines, just what is inside them, and of course scan all of the pictures for you. I'm good that way. I bought 2 CDs. This one was $5.99, and this band was huge in the early 70s, the late 60s, early 70s. I used to buy some of their albums on vinyl. And they are not, of course, in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. The Rock and Roll Hall of Shame. Three Dog Night. And every song, I believe, every song on this, I love. Security tabs or stickers that I just absolutely love. And I never get frustrated taking them off. I find them very appealing. I'm going to lose the gasket one of these days. As if I was going to steal the CD. No, with a security sticker on it. Well, that was easy. Only took a minute and a half of my precious life. There, and I will let you know. Just be patient. I'll let you know what songs are on. Boy, oh boy. People are impatient. And even though, this is it's actually surprising. You think it would just be a thrown together best of with nothing, but it comes with a very nice booklet. I know this series is all kinds of different artists. I know. And a nice little write-up, which I will scan for each and every one of my viewers. So the songs, Joy to the World, a classic. Not my favorite, but I mean, it's still a great song. Shambhala is great. One is great. Black and White is great. Mama Told Me Not to Come, written by Randy Newman. I love both versions. And of course, the Three Dog Night version is just awesome. Corey Wells, I was trying to think of his name. Corey Wells. Great vocals on that. An Old-Fashioned Love Song, Never Been to Spain, Liar, Eli's Coming, another one of my favorite. I would say Mama Told Me Not to Come, Eli's Coming, and then there's Easy to Be Hard, Celebrate is another favorite of mine, and The Show Must Go On. I mean, they're all, every one of those are superb songs. Now, this CD I actually already have, but it's like, I think it was 1995 is the version I have, and it's pretty old, 95, like 25 years old at least. So I have a new remastered double of. This is a band I've always kind of liked, but I've only had this one album of theirs, but listening to them on Spotify, they were very consistent throughout the years, and I might just pick up more albums in the future. Friggin' Motorhead, that's what I like to call them. With Lemmy. Lemmy is just awesome. Even their final album, listening to it, you know, Lemmy was kind of failing in health and everything, but it was still a kick. I can't say that word, can I? I can't say ass on my channel. It was a kick-ass album. So this is the expanded version from 2005. No, 2008. I actually almost bought a Motorhead t-shirt today instead of the David Bowie one. I'll get that some other time maybe. It better come with a booklet for me to scan. Yes! I love this album cover, of course. So, disc 1 is, of course, the original album remastered, and disc 2 is bonus tracks. Dirty Love, the B-side of Ace of Spades. Ace of Spades alternate outtake. Love Me Like a Reptile alternate outtake. You know, they're just different alternate outtakes from the album. And a BBC Radio 1 session with Fast and Loose, Live to Win, Bite the Bullet, The Chase is Better Than the Catch. So, cool. Anyway, the original album, Ace of Spades, one of their greatest songs, Love Me Like a Reptile, Shoot You in the Back, Live to Win, Fast and Loose, We Are the Road Crew, Fire Fire, Jailbait, Dance, Bite the Bullet. Of the Motorhead songs I know so far, The Chase is Better Than the Catch is my favorite Motorhead song, along with Orgasmatron and The Hammer. Just a kick butt of an album. So this is the Led Zeppelin magazine. I will just very quickly go through it because I got to scan it for everybody. But lots of writing, lots of reading material and writing at the same time. Because in order to read it, somebody has to write it. Nice band photo there. I should do a video where I just show every page really slowly. My viewers pause the video and read the article, and then I flip it to the next page. Of course, that, some photos I've seen before and others I have not. So it's kind of interesting. A young Robert Plant. A young Jimmy Page. One of the greatest guitarists and producers of all. I'm also, I did a joke, kind of a joke video, top 10 British rock bands, where I put in a couple of American bands, Kansas and Boston. But some people, I don't think they even pay attention. But I'm going to try and attempt to do a serious or semi-serious British top 10 list. So this is going to be a very enjoyable read. The Greatest Led Zeppelin Songs, Part 3. And then finally, the Beatles, Return to Abbey Road. These always come with a CD, which I very, very, very rarely play. I usually just throw them in the garbage. I should save them all up, and next time I have some kind of a contest, I'll sell them. I'll sell them! I'll sell them! I'm going to sell them to you. No, I'll give them away. Sell them. Why am I thinking of money? I love money. Comes with this poster. Wow, that is very cool. Look at that. Just look at it. I can't see myself. Isn't that cool? So it's a map, I guess, of all the destinations in London and Liverpool. And in some magazines, it's just on, like the Beatles, but this one is like I think just your regular Mojo magazine, and it's a special with, the Beatles. So there's Neil Young. Love Neil Young. See, there is a photo I don't believe I've ever seen before. That's a nice photo. Of course, some people are going to complain that Yoko's in the shot, but still waiting. So a few pages, that's where it starts there. So, and there. And there. And there. And they talk about each of the individual songs. So, good, that's a reading material that somebody wrote. And then you know what I love about Mojo magazine? Actually, any of these British magazines, in almost every issue somewhere, there's a mention of Sparks, who aren't, you know, one of the biggest bands in the world, but they've been, you know, they've been a big influence. There's Jethro Tull, nice article on them. Even like a CD reviewer or whatever, they'll mention Sparks. David Bowie. No sign of Sparks anywhere. I guess I'm wrong. More Jethro Tull. So Mojo is definitely my favorite of all the rock magazines. Back in the 70s, believe it or not, Rolling Stone magazine used to be kind of good, but boy, not anymore. Article on the Bangles. The Cult. Not the Blue Oyster Cult. And book reviews, CD reviews, and video reviews. There's The Cure. There's Bob Dylan. Thank you. So yeah, another nice magazine. And this too is always the very last page, Hello, Goodbye. It talks about when a member of a band joined a band and the day that he left the band. And so, lots of good reading materials and listening materials, and hopefully the Abbey Road Deluxe box set will show up sometime today before midnight. And it better not have a security tab on it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Boy.